What is good? What is going on, Knuckleheads? Canuck Shaver here. Kind of a different video today. Another one of my ShaVeLOG videos. But what I did this morning is actually recorded my shave. Super quiet. Didn't really talk since like 5:55 in the morning when I shaved. But I wanted to get out a video of the new Tatara Razor. So many people have messaged me or written comments and stuff about this razor. And want to know how well it shaves. Like, yeah, it looks amazing, but does it shave well? Which is the most important thing about a razor. So I decided to record the video. It's quiet, but I'll put some music and stuff behind it. I don't know. But I wanted you guys to see how good it is. And I've got to say, like, I just did 2 passes on my cheeks, and I did my usual 1 pass on my neck. And my face, like, it's phenomenal. It is, well, check the video, but yeah, it is phenomenal. And just so you know, I used a feather blade in that razor. So yeah, sharp blade in it, and I didn't get no nicks, no cuts. First 2 shaves, not a nick, not a cut, nothing. So it's very efficient. I would say it's a medium aggression, maybe a medium mild. It's definitely not an overly aggressive razor, that's for sure. So don't be confused by the open comb. It also is available in a closed comb as well. And I'm not 100% sure, but I think the blade gaps are different between the open comb and the closed comb. For some reason, I think the closed comb is more aggressive, but I could be wrong. And also, just because I'm Canadian does not mean I drink Tim Hortons. Just so you know that. That being said, a lot of the time I am drinking Tim Hortons, but not all the time. Anyways, let's get into the video there. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you like it. Obviously, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you like the razor. What do you think about it? Any thoughts you might want to purchase one? They're an expensive razor, over 200 bucks. What other razors would you like me to see? Maybe get software. What software would you like to see me try? I know I've got to do a video with the Modern Shaving Products razor and with the Supply Single Edge, which is also a phenomenal razor. So yeah, keep a lookout for those. Let me know if you like the quiet shaves. I could do quiet shave videos like I did this one. Just let me know, what are you guys looking forward to this year? What products and stuff would you like to see me reviewed and unboxed on my channel? Just men's style, men's grooming stuff. Not going to unbox like video games and TVs and stuff unless somebody like Sony or somebody wants to send me a TV. But men's grooming stuff, men's style stuff, I really want to get into that. Because I know you guys are more than just into wet shaving. As wet shavers, I know it's a hobby. So most of us have other hobbies that we like to collect. I know a lot of guys are into knives and watches and pens, another huge thing. I've never gotten big into pens and that, but it's pretty cool seeing these guys, the writing and stuff like that. I've received a couple packages from people that are really into the writing, and it's pretty awesome, like what they can do. Like, it just looks really cool, rather than just getting an email printed out. But anyways, I am babbling. Enjoy your day, guys. I hope you liked the video. I'm really excited about this one because I'm really excited about this razor. I think you guys would love it. Also, people are mentioning that there is a stand you can get for it that looks amazing. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Go visit the tatararazors.com website. Have a look. I don't have a discount code or anything like that. Maybe I'll contact them, see if I can get one for you guys. Maybe get a deal for you. But anyways, yeah. So like I said, like, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, guys. It's about 7:45 in the morning. I'm still on my way to work. Want to get this out there for you guys. Anyways, have a great Thursday. It's almost Friday, almost the weekend. Take it easy. Peace. What's up? It's quiet in my house, so I gotta be really quiet. I'll add some background music. 1 pass. Tatara Razor. LaToja Shave. Yaqi Synthetic. First use. So smooth. Oh, it's amazing. Great weight. Yaqi, 1 minute. Talk to you in a bit.